In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your Brother INKvestment MFC-J1365DW printer. So let's get started. The paper input is located down below. To extract the drawer, you simply have to put your fingers on each side and simply pull towards yourself. Now, as you notice, there is some green guides that we can adjust. There's a small clip, okay, right over here, and once you press on it, you can adjust the guide. And as you see over here, the paper size is marked. So if you're printing on less letter size, US letter size, like I do, it's LTR. You simply need to bring this small green thingy beside the LTR markings. If you're gonna print on larger paper, like legal size, you'll have to extend this drawer. And they have made this drawer extendable. So you're gonna press this button and pull on it. And you see, now it's a lot larger, enough for legal size paper. But in my case, I'm simply printing on US letter size, so I'll bring it back. Same thing over here, you have these guides and there's a small pinchable clip over here where you can push them on each side, especially if you're printing on letter size, as it says over here, LTR, you can extend it. If you're printing on envelopes, you can bring them together. Take your stack of paper, make sure that it is aligned, and now glide it in between these two green guides. And as you see, I didn't extend these guides properly because it's not fitting. Okay, now it should be fine. Perfect. I'll simply guide it over here, and it's important to not overfill this drawer, so never go above this green guide on the top over here. Also, if you want, for any reasons, this drawer is capable of being removed. So if I pull it more, it will come out of the printer. Especially if you have a paper jam, it's good that you can remove it to take a look under the printer. Most of the time, the rollers that are taking page by page your paper are getting stuck, or sometimes they take this paper crooked. Okay, so by removing the drawer, you can check them out. At the end, simply push back this drawer and you're good to go. The paper output is right above, and you can extend this part over here so that the paper doesn't come flying all over your desk. But when not in use, you can simply put it back. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to get some paper from Amazon, check my Amazon links down below. You support my channel at the same time. Every time you purchase through my links, I get a very, very small commission, and yeah, it helps my channel. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.